My name is Elif Huchan, and I am the founder and CEO of Spoke Context, a New York City-based global education nonprofit with the mission of leveraging the advocacy power of public art to impart transformative skills and competencies needed to prepare young learners for the future. In my work as an entrepreneurial researcher, I investigate alternative learning environments and their efficacy in achieving learning outcomes aimed to position youth to thrive in the economy, civic life, and society. Times have changed, and we as educators have a pressing mandate to equip youth with the experience and knowledge necessary to lead and navigate our innovation and tech-driven economy, to operate with an unwavering commitment to environmental sustainability, and to insist on social inclusivity and equity. We have a quantifiable incentive to afford young learners opportunities to exercise skills and competencies needed for the complex and ever-shifting future. Imagine having a multidisciplinary, assets-focused, creative learning environment wherein students can exercise these critical skills before they embark on their contribution in the world. Spoke Context projects provide such a learning experience, and I hope to offer applicable in-the-field insight on how you can contribute to this call to arms. I advocate for so many critical aspects within the changemaker process, but to distill it down to an overarching theme, prioritizing objective listening and a dedication to understanding context is key. Context is everything. It shapes how people interact, what motivates them to act, and how they act. Strengths and challenges of any given community or classroom are heavily influenced by their context. Interventions aren't one-size-fits-all, and transferability of learning frameworks and best practices isn't a given. If you want to motivate change, you must first invest wholeheartedly into the context of a people and a place. The world is evolving at an unprecedented pace. It demands new ways of thinking, working, collaborating, and expressing agency. To position ourselves for success, learning design must align itself with the demands of this brave new world. We are more bound to engagement with society than ever, with people from far and wide, irrespective of physical proximity or language. Alternative learning environments prepare youth in an expedient manner, prompting participants to learn in a different, unconventional way, a way that mirrors the complex environment in which we live. We will explore how we can create assets-based microcosms wherein learners may practice the critical skills and engagement needed to thrive in the future. Give them a chance to problem solve, to negotiate, to exercise conflict resolution, to put their creative voice to work. The more we can provide learning environments that mirror real-life action and challenges, the more students will be prepared to live well and lead. Let's consider how you can contribute to the advancement of the whole. Let's explore how you can shape the world.